Good day everyone, this is Teacher Nori. In this video, we are going to learn about words and affixes. First, we need to identify what are words. Words are letters gathered together to form sound or its representation in writing to communicate a meaning. What is the difference between a root and a root word? Root words are words that can stand alone and are basis for forming new words. On the other hand, roots, which are also basis to forming new words, cannot stand alone. Here are some examples of root words and words that have them. First is love. We have loved, beloved, and unloved. Sleep. Asleep, sleep over, oversleep. Test. Pretest, post-test, detest. Draw. Redraw, withdraw, drawing. Run, running, rerun, runner. Deep, deepen, for deep, deeply. Write, rewrite, written, writer. Sick, sickness, sickly, sicken. Wood, wooden, woodless, woody. Read, reread, reading, and readable. Now let us practice finding the root word of the following set of words. Number 1, forecast, casting. The root word there is cast. Number 2, pre-loved, lovely. The root word is love. Number 3, rainy, rained. The root word is rain. Number 4, unsweet, sweeten. The root word is sweet. Number 5, unsalted, salty. The root word is salt. For numbers 6 to 10, try to identify it on your own. Number 6, passable, trespass. Number 7, watcher, watched. Number 8, unclear, clearest. Number 9, unmask, masked. And number 10, smoothly, unsmooth. Have you noticed the letters or syllables attached to the root word? Those are called affixes. Affixes are one or more sounds or letter attached to the beginning or end of a word that serves to make a new word or to change the meaning of the word. There are two types of affixes, the prefix and the suffix. Prefixes are affixes that is attached at the beginning of a word. Some examples of prefixes are anti, which means against, de, which means opposite, in, im, il, or ir, which means not, en or em, which means cause to, semi, which means half, re, which means again, sub, which means under, which means too little or under, for, which means before or in front of, and none, which means not. Some prefixes have more than one meaning, depending on the word that you attach it to. Now let us look at some examples of these prefixes and the words that uses them. For semi, we have semi-sweet, semicircle, semi-annual, and semiconductor. For sub, we have subterranean, substation, subway, and subconscious. For under, we have underfoot, underway, underarm, and underwater. And for none, we have non-living, non-stop, non-zero, non-existent. And the last one, we have N, endanger, encourage, ensure, and envision. Suffixes are affixes that are attached at the end of the word. Just like prefixes, they tend to make a new word or change the meaning of the word. Some examples of suffixes are est, which means the most, able, which means is or can be, shin, which means act or process, en, which means made of, us, which means having qualities of, ing, which changes a verb to its present participle, ment, which means state of being or act of, t, which means the state of, if, which changes a noun to its adjective form, and which means a person connected with. Just like prefixes, some suffixes have more than one meaning, depending on what root word you attach it to. Now here are some examples of suffixes and words that uses them. Shin, division, conversion, addition, and deposition. Ing, acting, painting, running, driving. Us, gaseous, nauseous, aqueous, bulbous. Ment, department, statement, government, apartment. Able, visible, terrible, divisible, and legible. And that is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Until next time!